in Suffolk County, New York, going out to the ocean. It's really nice there on the Robert Moses Causeway. Really, really nice. Beautiful day today. My good friend James Dooley, we interned his father, passed away a few days ago. This is so beautiful out here. This is part of the Great South Bay here. We got people fishing out here in boats, water skiing, everything. Really nice. It's a Great South Bay here. Part of the Fire Island National Seashore. And then further down is the open ocean. Open North Atlantic Ocean. Here is Captree State Park, where the fishing boats go out. They have a dock. I used to go crabbing and fishing there. Sometimes, occasionally, take a boat out, fishing boat, party boat. Something maybe we got to do again. Haven't done it in years. Captree Island over there. Last bridge to get to the open ocean. That's actually the Fire Island. Long inlet, long strip of narrow land that goes along Long Island, New York, Suffolk and Nassau counties. Similarly, New Jersey has a peninsula strip of land, and so does Maryland. The overlook, go fishing and crabbing here too, in the bay. That's part of the bay area. Here comes the open ocean on the other side. This is still the bay, the water here. Part of the Great South Bay here. And over there you can see the open ocean. That's a Coast Guard base right here. And here's Robert Moses State Park. And oh, the party boats are out there, they're fishing. They're fishing. Here's the Coast Guard. Coast Guard. The police there. Police Marina, Coast Guard. Lighthouse. Right to the open ocean. There's deer here. I used to get the night parking permit for fishing, and sometimes I would get it, but it's just so expensive to come out to Long Island with all the aggravation of tolls going through New York City, and the gas, like 86 miles from my house, so it's expensive. It's nice out here, but I tend to go more towards the Jersey Shore now because it's closer and more affordable. Also, the water here, the rip tides are stronger for whatever reason in this part of Long Island, or in Long Island in general, than the Jersey Shore. There's some more fishermen, people fishing out. There's a party boat, there's small boats here, and that bigger boat is a party boat. You pay to go on them, and it's nice. And there are deer here. They have an area here where you go off, where you can get a permit for a four-wheel drive, and you get a permit, and you got to just wash underneath your car, or vehicle rather, your vehicle, because of the salt, the corrosiveness. Oh yeah, that's a party boat. You can see they're fishing. Yep. Captain Gillen, that's the one I used to go on. And here's the area where you go in with the vehicle. You need a all-wheel drive vehicle. You pay for the permit, and they got stations for people to put the air back in your tires, because it's better to have that. But all right, let's check out field number 2 here. Hi there.
Hi.
I got a question for you.
Yep.
What time are the lifeguards coming off?
I think 6 p.m. or I think it's till sunset they're on.
Okay. All right. Thank you. There it is. There's the bathhouse. The open ocean. You can see it right out there. It's the open ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Yep. There it is. The lifeguards. And that's it. Time to enjoy the ocean a little bit.